explain what you're going to do. You're going to go around this corner, and I want you to tell me which one's the easiest way to go around the corners, where your pedals should be. And once you've been around a few times in that direction, we'll call a stop and you'll go the other direction as well. Okay, so we'll practice doing left-hand turns as well as right-hand turns. So if 4 people can go to the other one, so you guys can decide, doesn't matter. Or it can be 5 and 3 if you guys all want to be together. If the boys all want to be together, you can be together. If the girls all want to be together, you can be together. Okay, is that what we're going to do, guys and girls? Okay. So we're going to follow, it's Annabelle, isn't it? Yep, so we're going to follow Annabelle around the corner. Okay, are you guys working out which way is easier to turn? Where are your pedals need to be? Are you guys working out where your pedals need to be? Great. Oh, did you, Billy? Okay, what are you guys thinking? Have you figured it out yet?
Yeah.
Are you ready to turn around and go in the other direction? Okay, everyone stop. Everyone stop where they are. Stop where you are. Hop off your bike, turn around and we'll go the other direction. Okay, jump back on, Mark, and you're ready to go. Oh, you're going to run him over?
Yeah, let's run him over. Let's run over and we'll stop. And we'll run over that little cute adorable bunny.
Okay. Oh, there's 2 bunnies in that. 3 bunnies in that group. It's all the bunnies. And stopping. Nice stopping. Nice stopping. Okay, what did we find out? Amber.
It's easy to do both ways.
Easy to do both directions? Okay, so if you don't find it easier to turn left or right, they're both as easy? That's great. Okay, Annabelle, what did you find out? That position is the easiest? So 3 and 9?
Yeah, I think both of them are the easiest.
Did you?
I think that one. I think that one and this one.
Okay, so that one, when you're turning which direction though? Does it matter if you're turning left or right?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay, it doesn't matter? What did you find out, Jemima? Same as both of them. Okay, let's go and see what the boys found out.
I also found out something else.
What did you find out?
There's only a giraffe.
There's only a head over there. There's no body. It's a reindeer's head. Okay, boys, come in and stop. I'm just going to stand over here. Okay, you guys stand there looking at me. What did you guys find out about which way is easier to have your pedals?
This way.
Oh, really? Okay. So you think 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock is the easiest way to turn a corner? Okay. What I want you to do then, this time, is I want you, when you're going around, let's go back to turning to the right. I want you to, hang on, I just want to show you something. Just watching here, guys. When you turn to the right, girls, when you turn to the right, I want you to have your left pedal down at 6 o'clock. When you're turning to the right. Every time you turn to the right, I want you to have that pedal down and I want you to put your weight onto that pedal. So pushing down on that pedal as you turn to the right. And then I want you to tell me if that feels good and makes you turn faster or sharper. You think it's going to be hard? Well, let's go and have a practice. Okay?
Like this?
No, so I want this pedal to be like that. As you turn to the right. So as you're going that, as you're coming here and turning to the right, that's how I want it. Yep. Follow Ryan. So when you're turning, you're going to go round the corners all turning to the, you're going to be turning this direction. I want that pedal to be down. And I want you to tell me if that feels better.
I'll make it be down.
That's a computer. Okay, guys, it's a race with a twist. It's a race to be the slowest rider and to be the last one across across the finish line. So spread out equally across. Oh, this will be the finish line here. I wouldn't start on him because he might throw you off. Okay, so listening up guys, the rules of the race. It's the slowest rider wins. You're not allowed to put your foot on the ground.
Oh yeah.
If you put your foot on the ground, that's it. Eliminated.
Let's go over there.
Yep. If
Oh,
you...
what if I'm about to fall off?
Yeah, well it's best to put your foot on the ground and fall off, isn't it? But it means that you're out of the race. And we'll have a few practices, so it's not the only time we're going to do the race. So if you put your foot down on the ground, you're out. If you fall off, you're out, but you're better off putting your foot down before you fall off. If you run into somebody else, you're out. Okay? Otherwise, it's the slowest person, the last person to get to me that wins the race. Mark. Well, I'll make a judgment. They could be both out, yes. Okay, so, remember the slowest rider. There's what? Well, just pick it up and throw it onto the grass. So it doesn't make your tyre flap. Okay, this is the finish line, guys. On your marks. Get set. Go. That's okay. Annabelle, just go back and start again. Just go back and start again. Oh, Billy, go back and start again, mate. That's okay, Mark. Go back and start again. Okay, that's okay. Just go back down the side and start again. So we'll have a few practices. Good riding, guys. Good riding, guys. Okay. Very good. No, that was good slow riding. No, slow riding. Okay, just go back and go again. Have a little practice. Amber won. Annabelle's winning. Guys, remember it's a slow riding race. Because the next game you need slow riding skills. Okay, I'm just going to change your gear into a easier to pedal one. Do you remember what you need to do to make it easier to pedal? What do you need to do? Oh, well, I'll lift it up. You press the lever. Which lever do you press?
The harder or soft?
You want it easier to pedal?
So
No, this one.
this one.
Yeah. So pedal. The other way. Pedal the other way. That's it. That's it. Great. Perfect. Okay, try that. That's okay. How was that? I'm doing the same thing, but I just have to submit video. Oh, now Mark, we're just going to change your gear too. Do you remember what lever you need to press to make it easier to pedal? That's harder to pedal. That's the brakes. What else could it be? Okay, so that's the brakes, but remember if you press it like that, that makes it easier to pedal. See how this lever moves sideways? That makes it easier to pedal. There we go. That's no, you don't use that one because that's the derailleur at the front. We don't change that gear. But that's good. Yeah, just use that one. But that's
The
good.
whole time.
Yeah, yeah. That's great, Mark.
So close.
Hang on. There you go. Is that okay to start? Okay, last bit of practice and then we're going to have the race. Yeah, the actual race. Yeah, we don't need to change your gears. Good slow riding, Ryan. You can pedal backwards, that's a good technique. And Jemima, we might change your gear and we might change Amber's gear. No, okay, don't then, that's alright. And we'll change Billy. So what we're going to do is we're all going to get inside the square and we're going, you know how we're riding around the outside of the square? We want to ride around the inside of the square. I'm just thinking, yeah, let's make it just that little bit bigger. So everyone sort of line yourselves up around the Jemima can ride, Annabelle can ride, and then everyone will get going. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, everyone not quite ready. Nearly ready. No, you can just join on. Okay, now we're ready. Okay, go Billy. That's okay. Let's get started. That's okay. That's okay, let's start that way. Jump on and I'll just get you going. Okay, following on. That's okay, Billy's the leader. That's okay. Around the inside of the cones. Around the inside. That's it, go boys. Yep, behind Mark. They're staying on the inside of the toys. Okay, yep, round the inside of the toys. Nice and slowly. Don't change gears. Okay, nice and slowly. And now, being very careful of the riders around you, I want you to change direction. So you're riding the other direction. No, don't put your feet down. So think about how you're going to change direction without crashing into it. Yeah, you're going to use your skills. There we go. Yeah, everyone's turning around and going in the other direction. And we're trying to do that without getting off our bikes. Yeah, that's okay, we'll do it again. Okay, stay inside because we don't want to get in this. I was going to stand here. You don't want to end up in this dirt because you'll fall off. Well done. I know, I saw you. Fantastic work. Okay. Now we're going to change direction again. Uh-oh, without hopping off your bike, Billy, so hop on and ride that way. No, that's okay, hop on and ride that way. Riding slowly. That's okay, turn around, but next time, you need to do it without putting your foot on the ground. You are. Just go slowly, guys. Go slowly, slow down, too fast, slow down. Okay. And we're going to change direction again. So think about how you're going to turn around. That's it, Billy. That's very tricky. Following Amber is good. I'm standing here to keep you out of the sand. You don't want to end up in that